Dashboard Design Figma. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to Figma.com. Look to the top right corner of the screen and hover over the plus button. From the options that appear, choose the Make button to start building a website dashboard using Figma AI. After clicking that, you'll be taken to a workspace where you can begin your AI-assisted design. On the bottom left corner, you'll see a text field labeled as the AI command prompt. This is where you type your request for the kind of design you want to create. For example, if you want to make an e-commerce website dashboard for sellers, just type that into the prompt and press enter. Figma AI will then automatically generate the layout, design elements, and even charts that make up the seller dashboard. Once the design is rendered, you can preview it by clicking the play button at the top right of the screen. You also have the option to edit the design manually or adjust the prompt to refine the layout further.